Di nawawala ang pagkain tuwing summer training ng isang basketball program sa Vancouver. Halos 80% kasi ng mga kabataan sa squad, Pilipino.
Or the 10-year-old's not going to take a bus. They're actually, mom and dad's coming too. So why not make it? Well, let's have a little bit of a potluck, and then we know that all the dads love to play basketball. Well, let's have a coaches versus parents kind of competition. Everyone feels good when the whole family's involved.
Halos isang dekada na ang squad basketball program. Mula sa 2 teams, lumobo na ito sa 14. Nasa 140 kabataan ang kabilang sa summer program ngayong taon. Ayon kay Santos na Coach of the Year ng high school basketball ng BC sa taong 2023 at 2024, pamilya ang turing ng isa't isa sa squad. At saksi rito ang squad coach mula Ghana na si John Boateng.
I see just so much similarities between our two cultures. The emphasis on family, and the emphasis on it takes a village to raise a child, right? It takes a community to raise a child. Not only do they have a passion for the game of basketball, but they have a passion for community. They have a passion for helping each other's kids, feeding each other's kids, caring for each other's kids, disciplining each other's kids, looking out for each other's kids. It's beautiful.
Parang nasa Pilipinas ka na rin. Especially during summer na nasa labas. Parang mga bata, naglalaro lang din na parang sa atin.
Yeah, potluck, yeah. Tapos banding with the parents.
Ang mga asawa naglalaro din ng basketball. Kaya pa ba ng mga tuhod nila?
Yeah, kaya pa. Kinakaya. Nahiya sila sa mga anak nila. Kaya kikayanin. Nagluluto, nag-cheer sa mga asawa, yeah, at sa mga anak.
Saka nag-chismis.
Martes. Yun, number 1 yun.
yung samahan, sense of community. Kasi, it's not just the kids playing, it's also the parents meeting up.
Pero ikaw naglalaro ka pa rin ng basketball with fellow parents. Kaya pa ba?
Hindi na masyado, pero we try. We try.
When John and I first started this, we prayed about it. About it's not just about basketball. It's always about the families that are involved in our community, involved in our programs.
We've been blessed to have kids get scholarships. We've been blessed to be able to open doors for them to play internationally. And some are on the road to be playing professionally.
Unfortunately, nobody cooked adobo today. Sorry.
Hindi lamang pagmamahal sa basketball ang nagbubuklod sa mga naririto, kundi ang init ng samahan ng mga miyembro ng komunidad na sasalubong sa mga magiging bahagi nito. Rhea Santos, Omni News, Vancouver.